Hello, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 13. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your tab. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Once it's plugged, swipe down notification bar, and as you can see, unfortunately I've got issues with my USB drive, and in order to use it properly I would have to format it. Unfortunately I can't do it because I've got files on my pendrive, but if you don't have this problem, you'll be able to check your pendrive internal storage from the Files app. If there's everything alright with your pendrive, it will be visible under internal storage right here. If you've got problems like me, you would have to format your SD portable pendrive. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.